This is Cyber War News Now, reporting the news on the cyber war that is happening now. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. When visiting foreign countries, it can be frustrating and exciting dealing with the different cultures. Additionally, you don't necessarily keep the rights of your home country while in the country you are physically in. Now, what if, while visiting a foreign country, you had to have an electronic check completed via a malware download to ensure you are following the rules of the foreign country? Sometimes we refer to our cell phones as mass surveillance devices, but thanks to China's new policy when visiting certain areas, this is how it really is. Foreigners crossing certain Chinese borders into the Xinjiang region, where authorities are conducting a massive campaign of surveillance and oppression against the local Muslim population, are being forced to install a piece of malware on their phones that gives all of their text messages as well as other pieces of data to the authorities. The Android malware, which is installed by a border guard when they physically seize the phone, also scans the tourist or traveler's device for a specific set of files. The files authorities are looking for include Islamic extremist content. Included in the app's code are hashes for over 73,000 different files the malware scans for. Ordinarily, it is difficult to determine what specific files these hashes relate to, but some researchers managed to uncover the inputs of about 1,300 of them. This was done by searching for connected files on the file search engine VirusTotal. At the border crossing from Kyrgyzstan into China, surrounded by desolate mountainous peaks, border authorities take travelers' phones to be searched and install the malware called Fengcai. Those crossing the border entered a clean, sterile environment to be searched, and in all, the process of getting through several stages of scrutiny and security may take around half a day. Once installed on an Android phone, by sideloading its installation and requesting certain permissions rather than downloading it from the Google Play Store, Fengcai collects all of the phone's calendar entries, phone contacts, call logs, and text messages and uploads them to a server, according to expert analysis. The malware also scans the phone to see which apps are installed and extracts the subject's usernames for some of those installed apps. Other democracies intent on implementing similar surveillance regimes at the border should look to what China is doing here and consider if this is really the model of security they want to be pursuing. Forced to install an app that collects all of your personal data. Privacy and personal data are big right now, with the implementation of the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, and everyone it impacts, like America. On the other side, there is the voluntary mass surveillance program that does not have any privacy in mind, also known as Operation Facebook. It'll be interesting to see if this type of border electronic surveillance becomes more commonplace at borders outside of China. It is like the naked scanners at the airport. At first, everyone was upset about them, and now you have no choice if you want to fly. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. How do you remove privacy? One thing at a time. In a war we cannot see, knowledge is your only defense. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, and we will see you next time.